keeping you connected to our community. 11 Connects.
Hey, Colorado Springs, it's Lauren Nicole of 11 Connects. I'm here today with Jennifer Farnes of Revolution Jewelry Works. Thanks for coming back in, Jen.
Thank you for having me.
Thanks for always decking me out in these beautiful jewels.
Isn't it fun?
It's so fun. We're here today to talk about heirloom pieces. So whether you've got family of all ages, this might be applicable to you, right?
Yeah. So we find a lot in the summertime is when people start doing, their house cleaning and going through, and it's like, oh man, I have these beautiful pieces that I got from my mom or my grandma. I never wear them. They never see the light of day. This one's missing a stone. That thing's loose. What do? And with us, we have 5 full-time jewelers on staff. So whenever you bring in something to have us even just take a look, it never costs anything to come in and just get a quote for fixing something. But you can bring it in, we can tell you if everything's in good shape and you can wear it and enjoy it, or if it's one of those rings that looks like a giant wedding cake and you would never wear it, well then...
I mean, to each their own,
Exactly.
But at least if you know you're safe to wear it out, right?
Right.
I always worry about those kinds of heirloom pieces, like A, I don't want to lose it, but B, also like you don't know how stable it is. So
yeah. But I mean, if it's something that you just know you'd never wear, well then let's take all of those stones and turn them into something else. And it doesn't have to be a single piece. We just finished a project where we pulled a bunch of opals out of a really multi-tiered ring, and we did pendants for all of the granddaughters.
Oh, that's so cute.
We used the gold from the ring. We were able to cast with all of those existing materials. And it's fun because it's a piece that everybody remembers grandma wearing, but now everybody has a piece of it, and there's that special memory that's tied to it. So even if it's a style that's not yours, we can make it yours, or we can make it for the whole family, or we can just fix it so you can wear it and enjoy it and not worry about it.
Amazing. So this month, I know you guys are running a special. So if you're cleaning out those closets and those jewelry chests and you're looking through those pieces, it might be a great time to come on in because you guys have something special going on.
Yeah, and for any little bit of gambler at a heart, we actually have these really fun scratcher tickets that we're doing. So you can come in and get those repairs and refurbishments started and use one of those scratcher tickets, and it's first come, first served, but we just started the sale.
How many? How many do we have?
We have 300 tickets, and it's anywhere from 10 to 30% off of any repair work that you're having done, or any of the setting fees or new stones that you may need to buy as replacements.
Okay, it sounds like a great time to come in.
It is, and it's fun. And like I say, we make it so that way you're comfortable wearing your jewelry again. Or if you've got that nugget ring that you don't like, well, okay, then use the scratcher ticket towards getting something redesigned.
Fair enough. You do have some amazing local designers and individual pieces that you won't find anywhere else.
Exactly.
Right?
And we even have our Revolution Exclusives collection, which are designs that have just been created in our studio by our team. But if you come in and fall in love with one of those designs, we have earrings, rings, pendants, all just designed and exclusive to our studio. But you want to use some of your heirlooms, we can modify those designs to fit the stones that you already have.
Those heirlooms that we have that we maybe just don't, no offense, we maybe just don't want. Can we trade those in, or you can buy those, yeah?
Yeah, gold is at an all-time high.
Okay.
Turn it into cash, and we buy gold in our studio. So you can come in with those things that just really don't make a lot of sense to keep around anymore.
Yeah.
Turn it into cash while gold is high. It's the right time to clear out the jewelry box, get some money in your pocket, pay for some of those summer trips.
Awesome. All right, well, thanks for coming in and telling us all about it. Tell folks where they can find you as per usual in your beautiful shop.
Yes, we are located at Stetson Hills and Powers. We're there Tuesday through Friday, 10 to 6, and Saturdays, 9 to 4.
I love it. If you all are looking for the perfect piece, now's the perfect time. Go get your scratch ticket and get a good deal. Thank you, Jen.
Thanks.